your gal, lovely angel lady, L to the A to the L. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to my channel. La, 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 la. So today, y'all, we are checking out this red cutie by Bobbi Boss. This is her right here, and we are legit excited because we love red hair up over here. Yes, the girls live for the red wavy hair. And it's long too. Girl, we finna get our Rapunzel on. Okay, so just showing y'all how this diva comes packaged. She has the netting, the cardboard, the paper, all that good stuff. She is 26 inches in length, y'all. So she's a long one. So let's look at the wig. So she has ear-to-ear lace in the front, as you can see. Her color is TTNAT-350. So it's like a natural brown with a 350, okay? Like a reddish orange color, but she does have adjustable straps in the back and a comb in the back for security. We are going to take our Eben tinted lace spray in light brown and spray this girl up. We want to make sure wherever we part, however we decide to style her, that she will already be the color that we need. And I do also have on a brown wig cap, as y'all can see. But you seal that in with the Gotta Be Free spray so that you don't get that brown rubbing off everywhere. And I just used my Bluebird dryer just to, put it on cool and just make sure that wasn't all wet when I put it on. But we're going to get this chica on. Let's make it do what it do. Let's see what she is about, y'all. We're going to take these big old purple clamps just to get these baby hairs up out of the way because she does have baby hairs. And she is basically, if y'all can get the gist of it, what they were trying to do, she's like a human hair dupe. But we are taking our Gotta Be. This is the glue, which is the gel. And we are going to apply that all the way up around our hairline. And then we are going to go in with some of Treseme's like really strong hold. It's a level 5 hairspray. But you use your hairdryer on cool, okay? That way it won't have an impact on your lace adhering to your head. So I'm just taking that and carefully pulling it down. And then y'all see I also have on my makeup, so I'm trying to be very super careful. You can install yours, when you don't have your face beat, okay? You don't have to have your face beat to the heavens to install your wig. You can do a face beat after if you want to. But that's just what I chose to do today. I wanted to already have it together. So I'm just using the rat tail comb to kind of smooth and put like a little bit of pressure along the edges. We're going back in with our Bluebird Conair hair dryer on cool again. And we are just making sure that we set that so that, she won't be going all over the place. We want her to kind of stay put there because we did not use those, the combs that they put in the frontal or in an odd spot. We didn't use those. Plus we have on a cap. I did not use my wig grip because this is a lace frontal wig. So I'm cutting with my shears, but in kind of a zigzag motion instead of it being just straight across, loves. This just will make sure that, we have a cute, natural looking hairline. We don't want to be looking like we lined up. Looking like we need to be on that Monsters TV show. So, yeah, y'all. So you just got to be careful when cutting the lace, but I'm loving the fact that the parting space is hand tied and it is a deep lace frontal. So you're pretty much getting quite a bit of what you get in a human hair wig. So that's what I like about this diva. So she is a little bit more expensive in terms of price, but of course you're getting what you pay for. You're getting the baby hairs, you're getting the whole frontal parting area, which is pretty big. So we are going to go back in with this Tresemme hairspray, y'all. And I link all of my favorite products below for y'all cuties, okay, my loves? We gotta keep y'all looking good too, you know? That's what your girl is here for. So far, that's what we looking like, and you guys can see the hairline already. And I'm just going through, now we're going to pick these baby hairs out, which with this one, it's not like some of the other lace fronts that I've reviewed lately where the baby hairs be all blended in with the wig and you can't find them. It's just a pain, okay? I cannot stand that. But yes, these girls are like too long. Nobody's baby hairs or edges need to be this long. If they naturally that long, then okay, girl, okay. It's cool, it's cool. You gotta work with what you got, you know? Okay, love, so what I did was I took the Even Extra Firm Hold 24-hour edge tamer. I took that, and then I apply that to the little baby hairs, shape them the way I want them, and then I go back in with the Gotta Be styling gel over that because, honey, that stuff is like glue. Like once you use that, it's gonna be bolted, okay? Your baby hairs ain't going nowhere once you apply that. So you want to make sure that you place them where you want them first, if that makes sense to y'all loves. So that's what I'm doing. And then this is our Kiss makeup that y'all have seen me use a million times. This is basically a cream to powder. So I love it because it shows up really, really well. But I'm going in the front of the hairline just to kind of go over some of the knots and make it look a little bit more natural. And I also put the makeup also in my part. But y'all, you will have a little bit of a time because this is wavy hair. So parting her is no easy task, let me tell you. It's not easy, child. So it's easier if you do use a rat tail comb because you can just take the tail of the comb and, you know, split the hair like that. And you will also definitely want to be using some wig spray, the conditioning spray or detangle spray. We are going to go in with our bed head. It's a wax stick. Basically a hair stick, but it's just wax, and I apply that to lie down any flyaways. We want to make sure that she looks nice and polished, well put together. I really like the TIGI or TG bed head hair stick. That wax does not harden and get the hair hard, but it will lay it down, sis. It will. Trust your girl. But this is my favorite, Bobo's Remy Leave-In Conditioner. I apply this to mostly all of my synthetic wigs and hair pieces. And it conditions the hair without making it feel all oily and greasy. We don't want to be looking like we got a jerry curl and grease all over our neck and clothes, so it does not ruin your clothes. You don't want to spray it directly on yourself. So if you have on like a silk shirt or a satin shirt or something like that, I would definitely put a towel around me, or put on your shirt like after you style your hair, you know, something like that, you know. But yeah, y'all, you see, like I'm just using my fingers to just rake through the hair. So once you apply the conditioner spray, it does make the hair a lot more manageable. Definitely. I did get a few strands of shedding, but I made sure that I saturated everything so that the hair has an even look. But this is another product that I like. It's a Bonner Brothers product. It is like a styling mousse. It's foam, but it's basically setting lotion. It's not like the mousse that gets hard, but it does get the hair to act right, lay down, and really look nice. And I like applying these products, especially to synthetic wigs, because it makes me look and feel like I am wearing human hair when I am not. Bougie on a budget. Yes, yes. Do you hear me, girl? Hey, girl, do you hear me? Yes, y'all, lots of hair. So you will be putting in some elbow work because she is 26 inches long, and density wise, you can see sis is pretty good. It's a nice amount of hair, especially like once it's like fully dry after you put product in it. Yeah, she even looks fuller then. So I just really like that she's not super shiny, but I'm going in, since I decided to do a center part, I'm going back in with that same makeup, Cream to Powder by Kiss, and I just kind of lightly rub that in a little bit just to make sure it's not too cakey looking. A little bit of shedding, as I was telling you, not a whole lot, but we basically detangled her with our fingers the most. We used that as our main tool. Showing you her parting. This is the 13 by 6 frontal hand-tied parting area that you get. Yes, sis, you can wear like a half up, half down, you know. Okay, love, so I purchased this chica from Hair So Fly Shop. She was kind of pricey. She was about $60, but I really believe I got my money's worth. This is what sis is looking like in the back. Yes, yes, but I like the extra wide Swiss lace frontal. I love the baby hair that you can choose. You have freedom in your parting, and the cap is a flexi form-fitting cap. So I will put all the information below for y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. She is safe for heat styling as well. I love you guys, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for the pics. Sharing is caring, so please share the video on your pages. Come chat with me. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and I'm going to catch you next time, loves. Bye-bye.